Hey, so what is this? What is this? What is this panel? What is that about? So, I have my custom made dual polarity power supply here. I power it up and you see you can adjust the voltage. The green one is the negative voltage, red one is positive. But that's not what I want to show you. That's that panel right here. So there's a switch on that panel. Yep. And you have a mood light in the back. And a USB hub. And my lithium battery charger. And a small scope that is connected to my circuit right now. And the tool tester. It is in place, and it's worth to mention that this is not a tool tester, it's the component tester. And basically you can test mostly anything, LED, transistor, resistor, capacitor, and it works pretty well for a cheap thing from Amazon. So yeah, I really like it. And my favorite tools on magnets. So here it is. That's my cool lab panel. Pretty neat. I still have one port up there that's available, and let's go. Yeah, so I have some light. That's really nice. So that's it about the cool lab panel. I really wanted to show you like I'm doing stuff in this lab and not just like dreaming or daydreaming and repairing stuff. I really like repairing stuff, but what I prefer to do is really design stuff, create crap from thing I found or I find in the garage. And yep, see you next time.
Son, how do you push stop on that?